Hey guys, my name is Rafa Sulemange. I'm from Brazil. We are in Leeds, north of England. Today I will be cooking for you my signature dish, Wuco, made with chicken breast, peanut sauce. Follow me. Okay guys, this is a very simple dish. You need only 6 ingredients: chicken breast, peanut butter, carrot, homemade coconut sauce, but if you don't have coconut, can use only water, green beans and salt. That's it. Let's start with the chicken. Every 2 or 4 minutes, let's turn it. While the chicken is grilled, I'm going to prepare the veg. I love this color on the chicken. Now the chicken is ready. I put on a pan and all ingredients together. Coconut sauce is a little bit salt and 1 small spoon of peanut butter. My carrots and green beans. When all the ingredients together, you leave about 5-7 minutes in medium heat. Keep stirring while it's cooking. Keep stirring it up ou vai dando uma mexidinha, like we say in Brazil. Prontinho, it's red now. Oh, it smells is absolutely delicious. You can eat rice or fries, but I recommend chili sauce. Bon appetit and enjoy! Que delícia! I hope you enjoy this recipe. Follow me on my Instagram, Chef Rafa Sulemange, for more updates.